Back in 2003 or 2004, I was doing a show and Jason came by and said, hey, I have this idea of getting this manufacturing thing together. And at that time, we actually were one of the first people joining. And so far it was everything he wanted, and I think it's not where he wants it to be, but it's everything and more that I thought it could be. So, and it's still growing every year, and it's just a wonderful thing to belong to. Joining the Georgia Manufacturing Alliance, you get so many new contacts, and it's manufacturing, because there's always these business groups and all this, and it's mostly salesmen, real insurance people, someone making cakes, and they all belong to Chamber of Commerce, where this is people actually hands-on making parts, finishing parts, and producing parts. It's not not a group thing where everybody's involved as a business owner. This is for making parts. So this is why it's so good, and it gives you a lot of contacts. The tours they have, I went on a couple of tours, got some really great ideas for doing, changing the ways we were doing stuff here. So, and they have those every month.